Are you thinking about getting a brand new car in 2025 but worried about the rising costs and financial stress that come with it? What if I told you accountants have insider tips that could save you thousands and make the process far less stressful? Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to get the best deal on your next car, backed by strategies financial experts actually recommend. Let's explore the smartest ways to get a new car in 2025. Guided by the practical advice accountants use to save money and avoid financial stress, acquiring a new car can be exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming, especially when you factor in the financial side. With 2025 right around the corner, new economic conditions and financial challenges are emerging. What if I told you accountants have proven insights on how to get a new car without draining your savings? Their unique perspective can help you navigate today's complex car buying world more confidently. One of the biggest benefits of learning from accountants is that they understand financial strategies that cut costs. From structured budgeting to creative financing, they've seen it all. By applying their advice, you can avoid common pitfalls and potentially save thousands. Whether it's your first car or your fifth, accountants can guide you to make smarter decisions in 2025. Of course, car buyers face challenges. Prices are climbing, and financing options can be confusing. Do you take out a loan, lease, or explore something different? With prices hitting new highs, it's harder than ever to balance affordability with quality. These hurdles can make the buying process stressful if you're not prepared. Another concern is the volatility of the car market. Prices change quickly, and uninformed buyers often end up paying too much. That's why research and planning are essential. By staying informed about market conditions and comparing financing options, you can sidestep costly mistakes and secure a deal that truly benefits you. So, what's the solution? Accountants emphasize starting with a solid budget. Take an honest look at your income and expenses, then decide how much you can comfortably afford. This not only keeps you from overspending but also helps you shop with clarity. A well-structured budget is your first line of defense against financial stress. Timing also matters. Accountants point out that certain times of year bring better deals. For example, year-end clearances and holiday sales can save you thousands. By being strategic about when you buy, you can maximize value and avoid unnecessary expenses. Depreciation is another factor accountants stress. A car's value drops as soon as you drive it off the lot, and that can have a huge impact on your long-term finances. Understanding how depreciation works helps you decide whether leasing, buying new, or even going certified pre-owned is the right choice for you. Additional strategies include considering certified pre-owned vehicles, negotiating the total purchase price rather than just monthly payments, and accounting for extra costs like insurance, fuel, and maintenance. These small details add up, and ignoring them can blow your budget fast. When it comes to getting a new car, accountants often recommend exploring leasing. Leasing can lower monthly payments and allow you to drive a new car more often. While it's not the perfect option for everyone, for many people it provides flexibility and financial relief compared to buying. The perks of leasing are clear. It offers the excitement of a new car without locking you into long-term ownership. The payments are usually lower, and you avoid some of the risks of depreciation. If managed wisely, leasing can be a smart financial move in 2025. But leasing isn't the only option. Accountants also suggest checking out alternative financing routes, like credit unions or personal loans. These often come with better rates and more favorable terms compared to traditional dealership financing. Exploring all your options ensures you don't leave money on the table. Many buyers overlook the importance of their credit score when shopping for a new car. Accountants emphasize that your credit profile directly affects the interest rate you'll get on loans or leases. A strong credit score can save you thousands over the life of a loan, while a weak one can lock you into higher payments. Taking time to review and improve your credit before buying can pay off in a big way. Another smart move is comparing financing offers beyond the dealership. While dealerships often push their own financing, banks and credit unions can sometimes offer much lower interest rates. Shopping around for the best rate ensures you don't end up paying more than necessary. A little extra research here can translate into big long-term savings. Accountants also encourage buyers to think long-term about ownership costs. A flashy car might look appealing at first, but fuel efficiency, insurance premiums, and routine maintenance all add up. Choosing a reliable, cost-effective model can ease financial pressure and free up money for other goals. Finally, don't underestimate the power of negotiation. Dealers expect buyers to negotiate, yet many skip this step. Accountants stress that negotiating the total price, not just a monthly payment, is key to avoiding hidden costs. With confidence and preparation, you can walk away knowing you've secured a deal that truly works in your favor. In summary, accountants agree that knowledge is power in car buying. With the right budget, smart timing, and a willingness to negotiate, you can get the car you want without financial regret. The key takeaways here: know your budget, consider leasing or alternative financing, and always negotiate. These steps can make the difference between a stressful purchase and a smart financial win. So, what's your experience been with buying a car? Share your story in the comments, we'd love to hear it. If you want more guidance on budgeting for major purchases, check out our next video on smart budgeting strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.